food and juices, so maybe a little salad, a little smoothie. Right, this is what I think I'm going to break my fast with. That little saucy bastard there. And it's arrived. There we go. I don't even know if I like most of that stuff, but it's getting eaten. A bit of mustard dressing. Bit of that. 72 hours, no food. Alright, it's like the best meal ever. When you break a fast, you've got to do it with something healthy, and this is, flood my eyes, gonna flood me, start crying. Banging. Little mustard sauce. Oh, that is lovely. That was really nice. I might have to come back tomorrow and get one of their smoothies, because that was saucy.